Angel bridges. That's we go in that direction and look. That after the number 4, we go a little bit steeply climb. The first time we reach Adam and Hill. Not today, not much. That the pillar, the second
Your bags up.
bridge. Oh, mine. The rest, the water. So we don't see the water. That's what called the water goes. So it's down the bridge. We go down, down, down in, so it's a 50 meter, 50-meter line. Okay? Those this one and hills, a little bit a steep incline. After a little bit left to the tunnel. After Fiddlelands, the name is neck. There might be one viper, Costa Rican. Last, a little bit of big decline. This one. Tiger, the last one. More than. No. No steps. A few steps. Only here. It's short part. That's about 10 steps. We'll go down and you come here and come back. About 10 steps. The rest is like a steep climb, but not too hard. We go slowly, relax, running. Please try some mountain science. It's very important. That's all. It's a primary forest. It's very important. So mountain science on the trail. Okay? Don't touch everything.
Don't touch everything and stay on the trail.
Sometimes the people got it right there. We also have the tiny viper, we also have the spider, we also have the ants, bugs, okay? Also try some mountain science from the trail. Okay, 1 minute. I use the restroom and come back.
I got you one of these.
Okay, thank you.
You can put your jacket in there. Do you have any tags on this?
I don't see any.
Get over by us like you like.
I am by you. Those are my shoes.
Look at the camera.
She said my shoes muddy. He said don't wear white shoes. These are still muddy. And they're not white. Yeah, because you said they were uncomfortable. Those are my running shoes. That'd be fine. I'll wash them.
You do a lot over running. Did you do a lot of running?
Yeah, I do.
When do you run?
I run normally at night.
How far?
Of course. When I'm on campus, at least a mile and a half because that's how far it is to get my back.
So you run when it's dark?
Yeah, that's when I'm not racing.
By yourself? Of course.
Well, I tell my friend where I am.
Oh.
And I run with a team.
Okay, ready, guys?
Yep. It's a big taser.
Sometimes I'll leave it hanging out in my pocket.
Here, here's some face. That's great.
You don't want to hear the history.
See, so when I come,
You don't want to hear history.
when I come next week, Katie,
Oh, you're bringing them back? See, I thought you did all this stuff before. That's why I was asking you.
I haven't done any of this. I've been to a few things, but I usually live somewhere you don't go there unless there's other people want to go. Yeah. I'll go through.
Here, special tiny bird.
Oh, good. You take them. What?
You see it?
What is that?
The green bird right there.
No, that's not hummingbird.
You see it?
Down on that one?
The bottom branch. It's a
Oh, I see it.
What is that?
Look, it looks kind of burnt right next to the branch. Bottom row.
bottom branch.
Like fourth leaf over.
That is a special bird. It's not common to see in these areas more open. Normally it's inside into the lower part of the forest. We so call it white collar manatee.
White color.
White collar.
The hummingbird.
This is the white collar manatee.
Look, Ma. Mother.
White collar manatee. See it, guys?
Yeah.
There is the good dancer. It's on the
It's a good dancer.
sí, ese es el Michael Jackson.
Oh yeah.
The bird, the least the bird in Costa Rica. See it, guys? There is a male, it's more big one side. The female, that's you see there.
Oh, that's
The female, okay? That's one, the male and female, okay? The male, so prepare the place into the forest in the lower part, different elevations, branches, and so started the dance. So move faster. Clap, 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 clap. So made the song by the wind. Clap, 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 clap. Jumping down, up, down, for attraction in the field. That's when so have a one baby.
Oh yeah,
That's
there's
a
a baby
one
on the
baby
bird.
in the seat.
Oh, I just
There's
saw
a
it.
one baby there.
She's sitting on the baby.
It's interesting. I never saw like in this area. It's very opening. Right?
Yeah.
For see that one by the dance, you need so inside in the forest and stay quiet for a long time for see it. And it's hard to catch it. But it would clap, 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 and so move it faster, very fast.
Michael Jackson.
The Michael Jackson birds. Beautiful, huh? White collar manatee. White collar manatee.
The baby, do you see how
See, I saw it in the morning. She so stay outside, and I saw the another day I try to make one video. Look it, guys. Look it. It's hard to catch it, so move it faster. See it. So made the sun by the wind. So move it. And look, it's inside, not in the open areas like here.
They're more deep in
Yeah.
Yeah, so move it faster. See, I got it again. Clack, that so fast. Just clack. El Michael Jackson.
Of the bird kingdom.
White color man. You also have a guavas, right about a huge, right? The guavas is very important, guys. So sometimes we saw see coming.
I'll see how this goes.
For this, the guavas, that's so far out, so stay harvest, so see the wild bees coming for this guava. Very important. Oh, this is the hummingbird. So happen convias, that is or ginger too, the ginger storm.
Sorry.
That's one is Helicognia. Helicognia is a family, the Musaceae is like a bananas family. See the leaves, it's a transformation, the leaves in the structure, right? For protection with the flower. As you saw, the structure, so that a nice color. And the more common is birds of paradise, right? Normally, so the curved bills, the straight bills. That's one is curved flower. That also need the pollination by the hummingbird.
What is that plant?
That's also called ginger storm. Ginger storm.
That is
This
ginger.
is bromelias, guys. Bromelias is a epiphyte plant. Bromelias are the people so called parasites. So it's no parasite, right? The bromelia is a good deposit of water and so produce the nutrients from the plant. Okay? Why is earlier? By December grow the vine, so many capsules in the vine. So past February, March, April is dry season, no raining, so broken the seeds, so many herbs, so dispersing by the wind and stopping in the branches of the trees and grow the new bromelia. That's why epiphyte plant. The more common bromelia is ananas, pineapple, to rain the field. The one is different. Here. It's in daddy long legs. Daddy long legs.
Hey Kai, hold this. Come on, just have to put my jacket now.
That is calatea. See, for the corn, a popular name, a rattle snake.
Thank you.
Put your raincoat on.